slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust, eye for eye. We can lose trust. White rum, fizzy pop. Where you they go, we they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the trash, man it's so tough.
Alright, yo, put the belly on the body, make a catch. See no watch, now she wanna give crutch. Boy got peas, now she hopping in the pod. Man, a real life sugar gal, and my forget what. When she want dark, told her meet me at the top. Switching lanes.
So today, I'm gonna cut my own hair for the first time. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm excited and nervous all at the same time. Alright, so just starting off, I have a few clippers I'm going to use. The first ones are called the BGRVs, and they have detachable blades. So I have a few different detachable blades, and I'm gonna just give myself a fade, close to a ball fade, but not exactly a ball fade. But it's, again, it's the first time.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad in the friend zone. Sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine.
So now that I have the line around the sides, what I'm gonna do is start to fade up. But I wanted to get the line first, evenly all around my head, so when I do fade, everything is even. Next, the Andis Trendsetter 2s. The Fade King right here.
Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fan. It's how I hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved and it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and got a career and I'm very invested.
I'm going to cut some of my hair down now, and then I'll start to fade again. But I always have to make sure your sides are even before you start to fade. But I'm going to cut my hair down first.
Me and she trying to get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
I'm almost done with the fading. Turning out pretty good. And then I'm just fading the back out.
That scattered, I caught her. I'm out here with somebody's daughter. She calling me daddy. I'm somebody's father. I gotta go diss it. I when I go kiss it. I put my lips on it like somebody watered the diamond, the glacier, the card in the wallet. She put up the but nobody caught it. She told me that she wasn't feeling my music. She told me it's nobody harder, and I'm with the G ski. I need that for the free ski. We are not buying no you sell it on P Street. It's so much work on my celly. I had to go tell all my email it to reach me. All in my DM, I follow your BM. She played with the Krosky. We used to on the low ski. She used to lie.
All right, so now I'm finishing up with the detailers.
Running in diamonds, they illuminating the way that I come again. I just put so many pennies on the watch and I don't never got a stun again. Latour.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
What's brackin'? Brand new whip, new mansion. Brand new tips, new dances. Same old new magnums. Same old new maggots. Same old throne, new dragons. Same old strong, new ashes. I go pass that back like magic. Yeah, I ain't capping, I'm lit, I'm active. Yeah, look 5 and they bout like packs and yak. I'm drowning this milk like Applejack. I sell it, dream, put tax on that. Look, slum, they pop that slap and slap. Go bum, press roll, that's black on black. Yeah, 9 problems, the same one, yeah. Numbers don't lie, it's the aftermath. Yeah, what's poppin'? Brand new phone, just dropped it. I got options. I bust down a couple Apple Watches. Hello. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back for friends on. Ooh, ooh. I'ma bust all on the skin tone. I be matched up as Ken Jong. Ooh, ooh. Dark hair like she go. I like I'm blind like me though. Although I'm dying called Leon. I was still slide like Neo. Keep all around my pre-roll. New Orleans, I'm Creole.
Here you have it. Cut. What you doing it yourself.